Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set profile privacy in Zoho Mail. Are you looking for a way to keep your personal details under wraps, or perhaps you have realized you are sharing a bit too much with the digital world? Then managing your profile privacy is a fantastic way to take control of your profile. So first of all, open your web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and in the URL box type in zoho.com and search. After you do that, you'll end up in the official site for Zoho, from where you'll need to log into your existing account. Once you're logged into your account on Zoho, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Click on My Account in the pop-up, and now you will end up in your profile section. From your profile section, go ahead and click on the hamburger menu at the top left, and then select Settings. Under Settings, tap on Preferences. Now you will see the profile picture visibility section, from where you'll need to click the drop down and choose whether you'd like your profile picture to be visible to Zoho users, everyone, or only yourself. If you want to keep it private to only yourself, you can tap on Only Myself. If you want to make it public, tap on Anyone. And if you only want it to be viewed by Zoho users, tap on Zoho Users option. Just make a selection and you have successfully set your profile picture privacy in the Zoho Mail app. After you make your selection, you can now head back to whatever you were doing, and that's it. That is how you can set profile privacy in Zoho Mail. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.